What's up, YouTube? Certainly not the temperature. I'm Dan H, and today on the project, we are going to be working on a Cherokee. This is going to be a 95 or a 96 Cherokee, and we are layering up because it is about 30, less than 30, and it's freezing. So the story behind this Cherokee is a dude that lives locally, his name is Mike, was driving home on the highway, and, well, let's just say a deer hit him. Ugh. And if you're familiar with Long Island, especially out east, you know there is a ton of deer. And that poses a problem, especially to drivers. So at any given moment, you are susceptible to getting hit by a deer. So somebody reached out to me, Mike. He was looking for helicopter, scram aircraft. Sorry, have to shoo away the aircraft from time to time. So yeah, so Mike reached out to me. He actually got in touch with me on Let Go. I was listing some Project DeadJeeps parts for sale during the deconstruction phase, parts that I knew I wouldn't need anymore. And he was actually looking for pre-97 Cherokee parts. Unfortunately, I don't have any of those parts for sale, but I did manage to give him some good advice. He ended up getting the parts on his own, and then he recognized me from the YouTube channel, so I thought that was really cool. So I told him I'd give him a hand putting things back together, so he should be on his way soon. We're going to fix his damaged Cherokee, get everything right for him, and it should be cool. Going to film the process, so stay tuned. We're going to wait for him to come. Alright, here it comes now.
Bah!
Finally meet you, man. How are you?
Yeah, who?
How are you, man? You know what's insane? I hit the deer almost right there.
Oh my
Right on
gosh,
William
really?
Ford Parkway, literally right there.
Wow, wow.
Yeah, she did great until I got her. I made a wrong turn around the block and I had to kind of travel around your
my
neighborhood.
goodness.
Yeah, she didn't get too hot this time as soon as I filled her up pretty good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Freaking deer, man.
I had her doing like 55 on William Ford Parkway.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice.
So what do we got? A 95?
This is 94.
94.
They say it's like one of the favorable years because it doesn't have. It's right before they went to airbags, so
Yeah.
you know you don't have to worry about the popping. You know, going off roading.
And it's got
I never planned on wheeling it like that. I just wanted to get into it. I've never had an off-roading vehicle of any sort. I've always had, you know, Civics and Mustangs and stuff like that.
this year has the better heads, I believe, too.
Yeah, they said 90. I think in 93 and 94 the first.
Yep. Yep.
I know 2001 and 2000 had the horrible heads, right? The
Yep.
ones that are known for
Oh,
warping
01 and
extremely
02.
bad.
Yep. Was it 0331, I think? I don't know what the casting is called.
Yeah,
That sucks.
yeah, they said the casting's really bad. Well, it's actually like no coolant, so it doesn't really want to do anything. But
True. There it is.
I was on the way
There's
here,
the
like
hole.
on William Ford Parkway, and everyone's looking at me like this guy's fucking crazy.
Was smoking all over?
It was going crazy. It was all over the hood too.
Well, the good thing is once they get hit, they do bounce back a little bit.
Yeah. Anything else?
We might have to hammer this down a little bit if you don't mind, just to get the header panel back in.
What's funny is my dad had it was
Nice.
originally it was hanging. I forgot. There's some metal wire I think holding this thing up somewhere. I think it's back here. It's like the exhaust in the back. The exhaust hanger is
Exhaust.
broken on the rear muffler.
There we go. All right, we're gonna take off this whole header panel and the radiator support bracket.
My dad was freaking out about this truck. He wants it so bad.
Things just get so damn hot.
Yes, they say heat is what is the #1 enemy of these things.
The Cherokee engine bay was designed for the smaller, I don't know what it was.
The 2.4,
2.4, yeah.
Which they say it gets like the same gas mileage.
But they figured, hell, we'll wedge a straight 6 in there, and So what'd you see first, my Let Go ad for Jeep parts or the YouTube channel?
The YouTube channel. I
Yeah.
was stumbling across and I found Dan H. I was looking at Long Island Jeeps. So I just got the extra. I was looking at. First thing I looked up was Long Island Jeep snow because I wanted to look at like people riding the snow. Then I looked up Long Island Jeep trails, Long Island Jeep XJ. You came up with the it was the Beach Jeep project or whatever.
Yeah.
Project Dan. I was like, I saw that, and then I remember I was on Let Go and I saw the same Jeep. And I'm like, wait a minute. I went back to your channel and you said something about slicing, and I'm like, wait a minute. This guy's a local guy too.
Probably
And
the
I saw you
airplanes
on,
in
and
the
I saw
video.
you on Let Go, and I'm like, are you kidding me? I was like, this is the guy. And I messaged you, and I was asking you about the parts, and you actually didn't have them still, or whatever, because it was a different year or whatever, or
Yeah, I don't
something
have
like that.
97 and below, yeah. That's
And then I figured out, I put 2 and 2 together, I started cracking up.
Came to the right place.
Small world. Oh, it was great when my friend, he heard I got this. The first thing he did was the silly boys Jeeps are for girls.
She's in.
Oh yeah.
You want to start her up?
Yeah, it's a weird feeling.
Let me just put the fan.
I was gonna say I don't know if that's gonna like go crazy.
Yeah, I don't know about.
Freaking XJ is coming back.
She's back, baby. All right, now let's start her up. The moment of truth.
Actually, no.
And some coolant too.
Yeah, we'll get it going. Headlight good?
This headlight works. This one don't. Oh man. This headlight is shot. Crumble. Yeah. This headlight was crumbs. Alright guys, that's it for Mike's Radiator swap. I'm really happy we could get another Cherokee back on the road. It was really cool that he found me because of the YouTube channel and some parts I was selling on DeadJeeps. He put two and two together and he came to the right place. So yeah, I'm really glad we got that done and I was happy to help him out. That's what YouTube, that's what the Jeep community, I believe, is all about, helping each other out. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next project.